This phase requires us to closely read the sources of information we found in the first phase, take notes, and then organize our notes. As we closely read about each insight, we should keep track of the following: the names of all authors, the disciplinary perspective of the insight, the main argument of the insight, the assumptions underlying the insight, the name of the theory used, the key concepts embedded in the insight, the methods used, the phenomena addressed, and any bias that the insight or authors demonstrate. This information will be essential to our success in subsequent steps of the IRP. Consider using a chart, table, or template like the one on the next slide to help you organize all the information you learned through the research process. We might also consider disciplinary experts for their input. For example, you might ask your professors at this university. They may be able to provide feedback about the feasibility of your project, or they may be able to suggest sources of information or specific insights that you might find helpful. This is Table 5.1 from page 144 in the textbook. You can find a similar template on this week's discussion board. Use this template, or one like it, to help you track relevant information from the many different sources you will review throughout the IRP. I highly recommend that you keep track of each source you examine, as you will need this information when you complete the subsequent steps of the IRP. You will come back to the chart you create in step 4 again and again as you complete steps 5 through 10.